Hi.
Hi, and welcome to Three Chefs Cooking Show. I'm the first chef.
I'm the second chef.
I'm the third chef.
And today we're making
Challah.
challah.
Challah, just FYI, is a braided bread.
Yeah. Fwee. Okay.
Sweet.
Today we'll be using sugar,
Cooking oil,
Salt
and flour and
yeast.
and
We have already made it, and it's
Look at that.
so hot.
So when you're making your dough, you can't follow a recipe exactly because you want to make sure your dough is a little bit sticky. And now this is a nice thick dough.
and it's
Yeah.
really like warm and sticky.
So we have our dough.
And find
Okay,
the
stop.
warmness.
Okay. we have our dough. And we made a double portion.
So that we can have it for next week too.
Or we can make 2 or 3 or 4 chalot. So what we want to do is stretch it out like this. We have the challah here, the challah dough here, which is nice. It's a heavy dough. What we'll do is divide it in half.
That's a pizza knife. And pizza knives are very sharp because
Now we have 2 halves.
two
We'll-
equal halves.
We'll divide that in half. We'll divide that in half.
Sweet goodness.
We'll divide these in halves.
Can we do one, Daddy?
Sure.
It's kind of like not a sailboat, but like just rock back and forth. Don't just go. Make sure it's
Perfect.
fully there before you.
So we're going to take this one, this one, this one. This one's a little bit big, so we'll just borrow a little bit from a few.
How about this one first? Wait, I want to show you something. So if you want, if it's too sticky, you could just do this and pick it up.
And, Bo, if you could combine these to make one ball, just squeeze them together.
Squeeze really hard, really hard.
Another trick you can do to make sure that you have equal amounts of challah is get a scale.
I'm gonna do the first one. So this is
150 grams.
159.
150, that's 149 grams. We're going to round up to 150.
So now let's do this one.
120, so that's less. We're all going to make our own big challahs now. So we have the dough
I'm
balls.
gonna move the scale.
You make your dough balls, fold it into each other. And
Are we
then
gonna put
roll it
flour
out.
on here?
If it's sticky. Okay, here you go, Bo. Bo, here's your 3 dough balls.
Here are my 3 dough balls.
Tries 3 dough balls. So we will be able to make 3 chalot. First option is snake it. Squeeze.
Snake it till you make it.
Use your muscles.
Oh, that's a good idea. Snake it till you make it.
Snake it until you make it. Now here's a trick that I learned from my mom.
Ooh, jump rope.
Jump rope and find a thick part and jump
I can't
rope
do that.
the thick part.
I know. You have to make it so it wiggles.
We are going to do a 17-inch challah. 17-inch challah braid. So what you can do is get some blue tape, set it up for your children at home, and make a 17-inch mark. If you're working with kids, you can take pieces of paper, A, B, and C. A over B. C over B. And now you see that A, B, and C have changed. Here you can move these over. C, B, A. Okay?
Can you
Now
do that
A
for me,
over
Dad?
B. C over B. And then I'm going to tighten it up here.
So I'm doing a pull-away challah, and so I'm just basically making like balls, and then we're gonna put it together so it looks like a challah. When you eat it, you can take all the little balls off, which I think is really fun.
We're going to take Shy's dough balls and arrange them.
Mine's the only actual challah.
9. We're going to put it on this pan too. On another pan.
And then you have your leaning tower of pizza
you
balls.
see that? But we have 15 dough balls and we arrange them this way. You can arrange them however way you want. Once you decide which way you're going to arrange them, use a little glue. Dab, dab, glue. Dab, dab, glue.
Dabba dabba glue. I'm gonna put the oven for 350 Fahrenheit. There you go. And now we will put it in.
I see that. Well, that oven looks hot. Is it hot?
Not without the mix on. Not with the mix on.
Okay.
There goes it.
And we set the timer for 30 minutes.
Ta-da! Alright, and after 30 minutes, you're gonna take the challahs out of the oven. Look at that nice golden color.